Throw this mega bass pop mats.
I've got a lot of fish out here on my lot.
Maybe throw the frog too here in a little bit. D's throwing the Whopper Plopper 130. Very calm. Just happy to be out. Got him. Just happy to be out here, man. A popper, baby. Yeah, man. Not a bad one, too. Start the day off right. Not a bad one at all. The way he ate that popper. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, just throwing this setup on a Bass X rod, 7-foot medium fast, and a Corrado DC 7 gear, using 14-pound monofilament line, Sunline natural monofilament. There he goes. Number 2. Number 2. Ah, bastard.
Sir, let him go.
Not like what happened to D here. I'll link the video in the description. D here got a freaking Whopper Plopper hook stuck in his thumb, and that was a fun time.
Oh, yeah, great.
I'll link that video in the description for you guys.
Works for me.
Number 2, small guy.
I had that Pop Max in my hand this morning, and I'm like, told myself, I said, no, I'm going after that bigger bite.
You said, yeah. Yeah, this Pop Max, like what he's doing, he's got a bigger size plopper. So he's trying to draw in that bigger bite when I'm just throwing like a, this one's gonna give me the numbers. I mean, and I could potentially get a big one on it.
Oh, it will.
D here caught a, what was it a couple years ago? You caught like a 4-pounder on it, or 3-pounder, 3.5.
4 something actually.
Yeah, big old fish on a popper. Just relaxing, guys. Worked. It was a busy night last night.
That popper right there, I'm ready for you to go.
There he is. Loaded up on it, nice.
Getting her down with the popper.
Yeah, the way he ate that too. They want that poppy pop, baby. There you go.
Little lag.
Like he said, I mean, this lake, we fish it often, but the water has risen and we've had a lot of rain, so water's sitting up a little bit higher, so those fish are they're not so shallow, they're almost in mid-column, so you got to draw them up. Topwater's a good choice right now, especially. Kind of what we're dealing with, right, D?
All these edges are down. All these edges.
Good bit.
He'll hit yours, he'll smoke it.
There he is. Got him.
Switch you up pretty quick, and I'll keep up with you a little bit. Sure. Save it a little.
Yeah. on the Crusader level. 4th fish here. Not a bad one. Another small guy. You know, nothing crazy, man, but they're blowing up on the popper. They like it. There he goes. Dinkle. Alright, so I've been using this Pop Max, my Mega Bass. I'm going to switch it up here to the Revolver. Now, I have never fished this yet. This will be my first time fishing it. And I've heard a lot of good things about it. Especially like the unique sound it makes through the water. And as well as the prop, instead of being behind over here on the tail, it's in the middle of the bait, which is actually pretty cool, pretty unique. So we're gonna give that a shot and see what happens here. And hopefully we can catch a few on it. I'm gonna start with this Revolver, and then I'm gonna use this chatterbait. This is a Thunder Cricket. 3/8. 3/8. Keep this chatterbait right here and keep throwing this Revolver. Let's see what this looks like. Oh man. It's pretty cool, huh?
We'll see. They like that. They're gonna fit in there. I like the profile size of it. Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, the profile's really nice on it. I mean, I like the material too. Like it's actually pretty durable. It seems like it's gonna hold up. I mean, that's just me. But there he is.
Oh, came off. Pretty head set on it being really big, though. Solid.
Yeah. On that chatterdong,
I might just have to tie it.
a little bit better of a fish here for the day. A little bit better of a fish.
Might be a decent fish, seriously, man. What it is, this is a decent fish. 100%.
Spinnerbait?
This is cute.
Oh, look at him running with it. He's running with it, baby.
Oh,
In the net. That's a nice pike, dude.
oh yeah,
Look at that, dude.
not bad. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Check us out here real quick.
That's a big one, dude. That's a big one, dude.
All right.
Look at that.
Back on.
Get him back, dude. There we go, baby.
Nice.
Yep. Here we go, man. Bunch of smaller bass and a nice pike.
Dude, I had to loosen that drag on you, bud.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah.
There he is.
Got him.
Double.
Double. Small guy. I mean, look at the way this little fish ate this chatterbait, man.
Dude, he smashed this too. I know.
Oh my god.
Unbelievable. Can't tell sometimes.
Oh, I know. That's happened to me like 4 times in a row. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. That's a fish.
Damn. Nice one right there.
Oh, that's a real nice fish, man. Take a look at that. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. What you got to say about that fish?
Chatter donkey. Oh man. Yep, so yeah, we're gonna try some T-rigs.
Man, just swung on it so hard.
You ate that rage bug. Nice.
Man, this might be a fish. This is a good fish, man.
Oh, dude, that's a 3-pounder right there. My shit's in it. Wow.
Got him?
Yep.
We're going to three-weigh him.
3.7.
3.7. Almost a 4.
Oh yeah. Pop that 3.7. Texas rig. Nice. There he goes, bro. Put her there.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
I could feel it, dude, when I set the hook on him. This is about a fish.
Dude, thing's a tank.
One jump right there due to that point. Top water.
There you go. First frogfish of the day. Little meaty. Little meaty. There he is. Oh man. Sorry, fish. Set the hook very hard on him. This poor little guy. Yeah. Oh man, did he smoke that swim bait? Oh man. you go. Little swim bait fish. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that episode. It was definitely a good time, especially after working 12 hours and going right into fishing. It can be, that in itself is exhausting, but it was still a good time. Guys, I've been backlogged with videos for a while, and I'm just doing as much as I can. But again, just trying to stay consistent. When life happens and you got to take care of a family, and you have to, and you're getting ready for a newborn kid, still fishing, still filming when I can. I'm backlogged, so a lot of these videos that you guys are going to be seeing, you know, we're all backlogged. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I hope all you guys are doing okay, hanging in there. Hope you guys are catching some big fish, working out, reaching your goals, and crushing it. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, email me, hit me up on Instagram, MechLife, subscribe, like this video, comment. Let me know if you're going through some tough things. If I can't help you, I'll point you out in the right direction. But until next time, stay humble, keep casting, find your drive. See you on the next one.